ofamu no awdru ano no ohye ade no won nsa odi age ofun na odi egu no odi agi obi a o virus ni bi fun na owie no de beje wo de pe o also wafa ho adi
na but there will can be a belated conversation because according to and then no changing it frequently
na me
changing it more and I like multimedia and so the stance we have taken internally and no say you ba spray ha no ma paper board
paper door handles
multimedia
hygiene practices internally there external ufie so dey nya dia kwasikum betima baba internally dey I just all the ball ho
and also asem I
just all the ball ho nti let's just say ho asem ti ye yes ahwe yiye no na ye da ye ho so a I think say
na about edidie so no amamu ana
edidie ho asem no unse no no ye technical ensem a no adokotafo no
okay
but edidie no kra no asem mama ate ase say enuane a vitamin C wo no because vitamin C no na boa boost immune system no ye ni fruit no more
ye ni fruit
no ni nwura ba no so nche say fufu si wa menni
fufu si wa di na say fufu na nkwan no garlic wo
kakachufa na uwie kra na da yes ne be problem a unya nka bi ne ana bro be bi ne ade a no hwe aguso so ti ase obi won mo an dessert ye nchewe ebere die na wato bo kakra
ba wo mo nchewe so wie tumeti wanum pa
na make anu a
ji wanum sentini nyina
afri so udi mobo ana mo ne nkwan na wie na wa mpe bia odi be yi hwana
we are technical man
aba unim abanfo bi edi agoro no na mesere so mbetwa so
o pa kire sei
ebinum se yen comedy fo no ne ayifo e bi
okay omudi coronavirus ni di agoro
no I think said so you be a watimi akave image bi ama ho as a comedian this time around what you can do
so you influence no
positively influence no what they be education I think that's better because you are say udi jimi oh yes ebi di jimi obasa mbodi ana
ti say hwan
lewen say mehu so odi jimi
oh and all the pen numbers
minim there but me first obet me the image no aye so as many Jesus me
when you Jesus fe when you some here fe when you some say
I'm say when you say sanitizer and wash in terms of me safa many no we I'm say alcohol ne wo no so pa
bi ohinu na me say reader bi ohinu na me say reader
be ya de o ye no say ade ale won ye bi na wo bezo ye openi me pese me ka say bi openi I say but ne o ye de o ye susu boy no
ready oyonkwo so de awura ha ready oyonkwo so de awura ha
say
na say eyi na ekata ohene no wano no be kasa afan wasumu ana
the free no nyina no strategy me ya metunu for about
since when they trying to protect yourself who ni say ejimi o pa chese me ntiase oh protecting the who ni say ojimi what do you
mean we kura dey say we approved one eno hu dey oje no
da bi o anya me
eno dey ntoma no apam
okay
ene ne che
okay combination for the nation
so just say na enkomo bebre ho ko bia be say wa unse wo so hene kura won nya nkwala hene me wan say osade ade we here butu
so kasa na me hwe say mic no betumi apeke voice na
hello black
okay ba say we shika ka be manage
enya black black
be manage oh the nose mask a say na no ne hwini nyina ba say wa bodwe say nyina ateho
ensa bodwe say de hwini ense
na nim say etimi fa wasum ko wasum no ani ase oh yes
ya educating public ni
okay
coronavirus dey
adi ma so sana don say wura wasum na ani ase a dia asem na kan
ampa o
adi
and until na say you bring yan some more
no say me phone me de manim nam dey aye ba me de we share na me bie me password na ma
na say ma because wonim na dey na bibia nche wanim tu ba ye dey ani agi so yi
okay ba me
agi so yi ansa
mpese meyi
mpese obi ade usuro den
sure
awo fi hai
ese normal ewiase ehu
okay
enti no ese me prevent normal baby on say
but ama voice na nso aba form o voice na ba because me bio mic na pa but still o voice na form
enti u pese o chese
enti ka wo yi ya
studio house dey say ene hu no What video na mine na oil report ofie na na mapi won achi no. E dey CNN for ni bia. So ono shefie no oil report no. Now oil
one voice no.
I'm actually there.
Okay.
No, sir, living on G. I was living on today.
I see the most important thing is for us to get face mask. Send your washing.
So the machine no important.
Face mask no opening. A doctor for naturally the face mask. They say droplets are bia obi e sinizi anase obowa e sinizi e wensin so wensin on sa anase
you want boy sanka akoba.
Oh there's some menye we just a opening.
I wouldn't and fracture me.
They all see the children and I see one so you want to say
ba coronavirus no
enye corona
bomano
corona osi corona masa yenye nkwala wa yenye nkwala nyese bia de be so wanu a ugwa yi
o sheda be fa ho akọ
kama producer akra yem ase no ya say na kan tell them say akonya we de otra so de a o pronunciation nyina say
virus no
so akonya no ote so no
virus no
ho akonya
ogbade akonya no
virus no
nana na mo corona ni bi
na de me bo over ni man esi bone enso ma bon correct pa
yo ko wedim
e say team ba ko okrom a mo no mo say o mu zuro hwe in fact supporters no so say Olympics akwaje 3 points na fi me
oh yes so am ne house na kra no mo
omne ayiwafa
yes only has so nya protest bi on person mo ye
and Olympics do ba league no is it only Oluboy komodo di koma Oluboy say
are you optimistic
as of for now mo ye say this year never say that for afia mo afia omo ehunu picture na ngasa yi team na ngasa na won kran na mo kan ye Olympics but on na omo interpreting the for the ba say has folk na afia mo afia.
Okay.
Was it team na afia na ngasa no Olympics? Because points Olympics iba benya just said that whole Olympics no. Okay, kabuma ibe na league no. Olympics na that top.
That's right.
And you the card the first one.
Okay.
Second one, me put them cast back here ebe what for there no.
Back of stone. Seriously, our voice in our form.
The voice
we know I
kasa mo anon ko se mi yi ade ba mo anon ko se
so be ye free o
hina
it is me kasa me fa mani mo nhwe ban
yeah fashion e chiro kaka
me fa me mani mo nhwe ban
me ye point ayi sa me nhwe ni mani kasa sa
okay I don't know for wani mo nhwe ban ni mom
se me no na communicate
okay yo na so on shada nyi uni
senia ye nyina so ye nyi uni no okay
so nti se ye
afedi ye
na wo di anya pad
no
but all me
remember how does it be the pad
open the garden nere anya pad na fifini ya pa for sa no
we a professional face
pad is say
pad ya on use we black guy ti wo fi wani ahadi pad no mo di elastic aso so
a elastic in so sir enye panty line
oberu the ready infini na pop ano
there be me hu ne sa
enye panty line
me hu ne sa
onja hu ba do
ba ku bie mu ense no ba o ka tu a
ense ne be dem nti na o ma ye ne sa no o say o sha we original one no
ada o mutu mo ja na
asebo
amowaje
we dey say one di fu amoja so na we dey o ye die
eju ma me nya story no
story be ni kura o
story na me Olympics supporters no mo say on there coronavirus no
the daddy is ya kan ohena ta ho
ko story no so Olympics before me say
kuruma no say yade bia ba na ye say friend coronavirus omo de omo mu nsuro o say na asem penifo say my team ni bi kura nye training ni ade obi am breaki Olympics supporters na pese team no e ko so en training
min twa no Olympics asem obeka but minim say u follow de ko so ko na ba sa ayi a ode agbo ho ni say ya chi China fo bi a say enkrofo ye no mo teto twena no mo akofa no mo asi no o mo tro what you has them all it me sure say they
ya arrest wo mo Where just I recycle.
Only to tell you now, I say Mugu Yaro.
Yeah, only a sister.
The only use one on Ghana. I tell you, be able to come out.
You didn't carry see just so I know you
see
as well.
It is by today.
We're original.
But who company you are home?
It's the way who said Yadra you are.
Then no matter. Men have to
Faber because it's 2 meters, 2 meters interval.
It was a black eye. Oh, the ones that we need.
Oh, the Wafa Ben Wahonakai. Faber.
That's also go school now. Then I open
Wafa Ben Honakai.
Where Kim Betty Clark.
Okay.
Kim Betty Clark. KC 100.
That's a designer.
Pure
a designer.
Opening address it was says stop tensioning Kobe Stone. Opening so tension.
Honest, over Tani said, yeah. It's the next time I say, me buy me tram be alarm to now. You go Tani said, yeah, say, I don't know, say, or they open here.
Can come so when quarantine, Ukumazio. Oh, sir, I can't cry any be a good was there. Say, Oko UK buy no. 1 5 months. 5 hours on quarantine. No, the year or the contracts and go for you.
Oh, and you know, almost will be obeyed. Some by only penny go back for any bad bay.
Of course.
I said, so the wife was by.
Omina,
Omina, and my year, say, that's it.
Now, that's another day.
So, penny a year be a marco, dear. Me no more. Na ebeba so de. I nya maso na hu sika so akodi baby basa.
They say nya woka. Nya woka. O my payment.
By friend so she fridge mu dey.
On trend ka. On trend fru no nko.
Na obey fru na openi mini adaje ane no ye nne.
I don't see another case. I don't see another case because date na sesa.
So
date na sesa.
Bon omu yi dey say otumi nya adaje ma o. Because to be well, I want for befa corona ho dey aye normal.
Can you imagine?
The papa ti krom e tina krom ani corona ye no. Ba ko openi abecha redo so o. There be anya ni sa.
Weekend mi ni hwe yo.
Anya ni sa.
Etika we hand ka ko ye fu.
And as I say postpone
bibia emergency wo. Bibia ni asase so emergency ni. E se se no wadi ka kiro. Se enya maso a. Bomodin se the other one no one more wajiji hu ska no. Obe compile list na dey na ma obi a.
Me kwa ka me ji balance na so aya de a. This year make say nyina.
Wanya nkwa ya so afo de aka ne ma.
Hadwin o.
Eze so de.
Hadwin papa.
Madman be kofo.
MC no.
Yeah, MC ban na kasa na on board because you say no nipa 25 dey hu here live band.
O da bia no yasim kosie funa.
Where?
To un go see if now to be ren sam 25. Menya sure say mra no ere.
Asema na wo kan.
Oh na say eyi hotel ne eyi nti hotel da nipa dem mo 25. Yes mo ensure hygiene. Te no an say abro na o dia.
Esiemu no say esiemu no.
Say abro na say ano ato eyi. Ye friend say sanitizer kese. To no musa na do say.
Da bi onipa be tena abro na ho na wo kan nyese abro 25 o.
Ose ni kwa se bro.
Yes, sanu woka. Ana na nsori na yesi yenja no.
O de oso chino besa akasa bia na wasesa.
Yesi wan ka say sports na nanga sanso nko ya mistake. Na nanga ya mistake.
O mapani na so ya.
Me chese nko ya mistake. Kesu otimi chem because you say no as o ya ma sport for ni night club for no kura nyamfa so chan so for ni you know.
Na say na yesi obi ni mu ya sori.
Ejirem.
O yi trabo so so kura so ya sori. Hey. Asofo mo so ni okroma o. Asofo mo so ni papa.
Menini.
Obi so ya wadwen say me nya asore but me ye canceling. Na canceling ko hwani pegu o ye canceling na. O ya asore krank mfa so.
I tell you.
Hey, nenko 40.
So it's a church of Pentecost money ade me tu chairman no. E na no pe mo chairman address asore ni nyina. Say the omampani aka no. Omasom. Omunye activity bia. As say some person preach kra na TV so Facebook any radio so ni ade no mbeko na time no o make sure so be ma asori ma na hu no mo
na set tight betimi amobo tight dey betimi amobo
asori bi otema on ma send message ya ma asori ma ni nyina say momo kwasi ada o collection na nka beto no ron mobile money o tight so mo amode aso no obu on ma match wiye February wiye on tia February dey match dey so be ni nyina an ka bom na Sunday mobile money asori dey opa menye wadwen so o hwe kira kwan but mobile money ne dey
banko ade a ebesom Yankopon
pe. Wa woni so send na osika so tia ne ya no.
So send no go wrong account mu kra dia.
Enjo pani ayi oli supporters in there omo say.
Ejansa na be ko lead no so no ayi Professor Akwasi Opoku Amankwa Director General man Ghana Education Service.
Okay.
Openi o mayin masu nyina peni pa oda no.
Yes,
Director General. Ghana Education Service.
Mechanical.
Okay way.
Oh yo na iya na o kan.
Professor Akwasi Opoku Amankwa. Ene na woda.
Na me chewi.
Obisa sa wo kind of way.
So kind na me bisa ba bi
so kind of way.
Ara ya ba PM's lunch ala. Because all the onam for na no muhia. I'm a yanka.
Now the only moon come in off air.
Yeah, Akoya Jadi was happy. You will copy one of my meeting. Professor Kwasi Opoku Amankwa will be a professor and so Shandi anymore. Director General, Kojo Mensa Brampa, our Adom FM, Adom TV say, opening Yankupun Shrao, no Yokese. After Yankas, Mrs. Azu. Tamas Kitchen.
Okay.
And then Mrs. Azu birthday. It's Mrs. Azu. You're so happy birthday. A year, Ofie Kwanso crew ni na. You anyone to media. You I am my man. It's Tamas. Wait, Mr. Azu. As you can say, he loves you.
Papa.
Yeah, I can you we love you. Na ye. You have a chasusu. So ni chasusu. Oh, change. Yeah. A forestry commission only in charge of a task force now. Yes, oh yes. And honestly, na honestly that.
Okay.
And to match them say great people. Yes, say match win kwane match ya. A day a match ke see Ghana intime more.
Obi ni wanya sorry o. Council am say na nkofo na council.
Na ni pa egu ho.
Counseling. Anya sorry.
Na openi dia asem na ken. We omo and omo go omo back no
the way almost share gloves
they important
no mask
we na mudidi agro wa na no
ahwa na didi agro masa
ese me ba ya ebi ni wa no na
me wan ka say me dey da have this
baby na da what dey na mfa so be na wo so
because
ka coronavirus aba o sha jeans animu atete jeans ayatete anu crazy jeans samre ni say crazy jeans obani samre ye mu odin ni say crazy jeans
we be odi afa
huh
asemo
eze obi owo bi so okoto bi pe so wayeyi ave Olympics asem na me to aso
my odema supporters na come asem dom so mo nsudo hwe odema wan come asem pacho
yeah my supporters na nkasa
my supporters na come asem
yo supporters mo nkasa utility worship BPM.
Trending vaccine now. There is no way coronavirus can attack any Olympics supporter.
The Spanish flu of 1918 is far stronger than this one. West Africa alone recorded about 20 million deaths compared to this. This is not a flu or a virus that can be compared to that time. That's why some of us are not afraid of it.
We are all aware of the coronavirus pandemic virus.
Mino, ekweba eseba, embora eba, ete, nene nina shutwe, wana lebibio, odifo kaboyo. Wanu coronavirus wanu akpeteshi wa na kabia na akpeteshi po akafode amanu wanu akpeteshi fe negelo onyem na gan imbola eba de wanu imbola idon aga coronavirus le eba no kwa si eba ne baga na do balo eba penu ene le bi kota so de kota de eba dofue no na me yo eja no ka ele eba wo ko ba bia cosmo komo
Cobblestone church mu kakre
enti Olympics supporters
and out in crying
now what you come as now ya obed ma wa na na Ofie Kwanso na obed
what in crying so one thing crying
na Ofie Kwanso na obed ma wa
what in crying so one thing crying
me think crying che mo dem ha nyi
okay ka
o say
what in crying che black eye e dia so na ken
ni mo black eye onu oga
chirem mente
o kole ya show me
mente
o kole ya show me
o sa man for no se mo tin crying oka
o kole ya show me
ko enim
enti Olympics for there say AC kura ba
sa
sebe entimi
Olympics supporters na ke cancer asem
o mo kan want
so na we on think kan swine flu enso bae say no so anya ibia enti nye Ebola kura bae entimi enti nye coronavirus and a stop league no in your coronavirus and I say a behawm and to woman the
league near stop
and I make sure say Olympic supporters in there we are ready for the battle.
League Nagajan now so Papa Ben and no more.
Oh man kasa man kasa
leader day
Olympics will video on the
Openi only Rosalinda
will feed the Olympics here
only Bobo
Fatim na nimu tutu forms
I mean kasa
Openi omo mani abra mo hodo sanitizer no
ebebo omutri
omo kan mo hunu se ye ni nam ye nya bia nto a yes sade ne de boy ho a omo an ye de bre omo very simple
ampa o
sade ne available no obi nya bia
1% price ne nkosoro kakra
enkosoro nkoye den price nkosoro nkoye den iti ade aba wiase nyina ni afekere nyina pa no aduru no aha na abepem fa so na be ye be wie no awu ana yenden
nose mask no cheap one na 70 pesos na near 5 cedis
cheap one says
unse ba kubu ho no na light eno no wo nkeka mbo so se ne awodi e bobo boso yi aha eno na 70 pesos but see e auto no traffic mo 5 cedis
we back
Debbie the other one and a white one round
but see be back
Openi eka gathering say nipa not more than 20 no oko a year not more than 25 America is 10
that is about 10
10
America dey na 10
10
oh and then the one be do baby
agora America say nkrofo AD no hwe we o say akwani din de ede amachini akwani din no no penny see the watchre or say the student who tested positive from Legon University must have passed through Oponglo, bought Trident gum for 7 Ghana cedis from a hawker, then crossed the road to pick a taxi from the taxi rank to campus. Now he or she met with his friends, kissed, hugged, and for the handshaking, etc. at Wasum. Or he or she went to the hostels, sat in class, went to the cafeteria, etc. And then also yes, you. Or say, but that's not the issue. Let's go back to the Ponglo and start from the hawker. A Gempa student would buy Mentos gum 2 Ghana cedis from the hawker with 5 cedis. The hawker would balance the Gempa student with 3 Ghana cedis. And I'm sure the 2 cedis would be from the corona patient.
Hey.
Now, the Gempa student would use the same money to pay a Gempa taxi to campus.
Wow.
The taxi driver will meet my ex, Portia, and pick her this Monday from Awashia. That's the picking the ex-girlfriend.
The ex-girlfriend.
Friend Portia.
Okay.
I will feel Awashia Eba.
Sir.
I say Portia will contract it from the driver. And as well, as we all know, if Portia gets the coronavirus, all the men in Accra are in trouble. So the government should arrest Portia fast before it's too late.
Wow.
Wow. They said, "Obaby on in a giant." Say, "Obani ni pabonia."
Say, "O person corona."
If some Obani watch Trinity, your story I watch.
Ebekwa ko chinia kwa ko sini former girlfriend so Portia.
Again, so they get ni nyanya ade ni say kim dia. Na me wo mo nyina benya.
Na Jeko the video ba ko beto Facebook page no so na very funny. Say ebi mo so person mo use o mo adwodu to buta. Oniska or the adwin case on person obetua na debi na uze toe boot no e was say wo mo ye adwuma toe boot na so o share gloves and a nose mask on dem eche no but oduru ho no nipa no toe boot no o share nose mask but on share gloves padi do o si debi se padi share gloves are on to me ntua ni sika nya den e ma nya so ba no coronavirus it's right there we kem am one show what's right
there kind of gloves
and your gloves.
What kind of gloves are a pronunciation? Is it American name?
Gloves.
Gloves.
Japanese gloves. Huh? And some person will change me because maybe there are many. There are gloves. Angie, as a hooker gloves, pretty gloves.
Gloves.
Na me say before nkwan come from.
Sa
profuni be come from pa.
Me patro mon ko Facebook see a video no ye video ni see apade na ko odru eye
to
na me bansa penika sa ntwa na no.
Me chese mama wrong way.
Oh me see penika. Or say a Spanish biological researcher Ena omo bisa no coronavirus.
Openi we dey wadar ma yentwa no kakra. Yentwa no kakra. Yentwa video ni na etwa gu no. Video ni etwa gu no say padi no ho. Ena opeso de say padi no wo to boot no no wakaba na no. Ba wa nkova ne nsa. Ena de onu chika na duru ho no say
wakaba na no ba wa nkova ne nsa.
Why dey?
So wakaba na no but wa nkova ne nsa.
Wo pa kire say.
Say where's na imi ntumi say cover ne cover no. Aya de kra.
Wo ba utie o.
Mi jeba. Maso ye jwa ga left no.
Na monko Facebook say monko Facebook say na mbe hu video no. Eti no padi ne say de no take car ni mu say once had your shey inside ne share gloves ne de. Nya de obetua. E na odi Takashi 2 car ne ko yo. Ayi mensa to boot.
Say onye na anyo so oboa.
Na se mo de say.
But gloves no so ntimi say.
Esa o sheni na o.
Eti openi who say video who ni say openi.
Me who ni say akwa na patapa because
driver no.
Ti say de make no. O share gloves no won nsa. O share gloves no won nsa. The more na o yi sika egi sika wo sesa no. Na so no transmit. Ti any ordinance akwa na owie no de sanitizer akwa be fa nsa. I think say
your no to boot ni inside.
To boot no.
Anya patapa.
Because me need say thousands of cars na etwa mu no. Obenya ehun sebe gloves.
And I say
under normal circumstances
yeah eduma ba kwa say uyi na sa chef for
ontimi nya ni nyina ho gloves
etika when ideally no
driver na nya justified
even when the driver wants to protect me no oh dey share you
me na me dey man
mon ko Facebook say Adom 106.3
yete ka say awuso bi mu ye hey
money flow
oyam kawa unko private no so na
water closet to be hang private
and so oyam kawa unko private no so
mon ko Facebook na mon share video ni sisi Adom 106.3 FM so openi who person chese driver no the Takashi bi no the FM
the Takashi
onya so protecting home from coronavirus
oboa
there be but me who say nipa o take care ni mu na 1 year, you know, one on where the writing.
They went
to boot most one, 2, 1. Now, percent obey the writing. I saw said, I was also set with protective gears. It's deeper now. One to another, what you is on it. That's perfect. Compare Yadibia. Okay, who do not share group says, oh, to me, and your advice, I'm a matter, but that's the writing. Where so be a protective. Yeah, I don't know who is an idea that for more.
Yeah.
Black. I did anybody group.
It's your penny.
And video in there.
To us way.
Spanish biological researcher na a journalist ede yakwa ko gina ni bisa say na coronavirus o ma ye mu ndwem akosi say. Na ti de okan ye. Or see you give the footballer 1 million euros a month and a biological researcher 1,800 euros. You are looking for a treatment now. Go to Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi and they will find you a cure.
Chirimu.
Utimu say, mami odimu no odia o kra da DSTV ne boy ya be o rebi.
O she ni school our corner the way our dedicated time pa.
O say omo bobo no.
O say media for call mami ho.
O ye researcher. Obi obin fanka yade ya ba say no. Anko odo na adwene mu ne nimdie mu asuko. Na nko ache say o bi aduro we ne fa. Virus no betime gya na kwan.
Na media for the microphone. Akwa gina ne ho sesei.
Say mami, ehemu nimdie amu we mu kanka mu na mu abene. Ewo eyapom de mu saa no. Anke bia ba na no mu ye hwehwemu ahwe say aduro betimi anya nua bobra na aduro bia be kana. Yade yi. And I say, Oma ball. Oma obi 1 million a month. 1 million euros no. Obenye sika ketwa o.
Bumpa.
Ya de mouse si abetime BFM 3. What
ya tete tax ni nyina ewia. Ya tete tax ni.
Obetime BFM 3 de bia.
De bia. Hey.
Si twa ka bia za na me pa kire.
To aso.
Who can you?
Huh?
Me veteran can I walk as a mu ntino.
Say
manin flu.
The virus was system ni mo di.
To be anti.
Obeni?
Yeah.
It means I was a footballer 1 million a month. 1 million euros. Nye Ghana cedis even. Ghana cedi kra na nye sika is like the Ghana cedi kra.
Yeah, 10 billion. And
1 euro so 1 euro so na 6.3 o se say. It would there ono utre ka use ayi calculator.
I don't say better.
Use calculator never.
Calculator yeah man.
Yes ka ketwa o. What you say?
Black.
Obeni tobo etimpo a wodi omo ne say ono researcher o man 1,800 euros. Na yade aba uba bebisa ne say ono na enko hwehwe ano aduru. Messi de Cristiano Ronaldo omo ji says kan omo ntie nko bisa
omo bisa Messi
ade kro omo ya omo says kan nko bisa omo anu aduro ebi omo behu no de amam timpo a woman na die no
okay
man first
mama enya ni enfa Mubarak na fa traffic watch
na head coach Macarela United
okay
na one performance no
yeah ko ni
olubo ko wodo o said pa we dey be pa so me who picture na me who say o said pa ye wom ni say eno sad pa dey abetu dwa say ni players a omo wo Macarela United sisi no omo nye players a omo so Premier League ball won akọ say lo standard players ya bintino ese Macarela supporters nya abutrema no enu ti ama performance no ekonisa omonya de onya abutrema no University of Professional Studies ye twani ti awaka ne se UPSC won so de on awona FA president na iso mama ne citation bi abasobode bi se so far mpenka kreya obeso Ghana football no on say economy ntende on so the abasobody amano and akotoko so a break camp for 2 weeks
okay
kotoko say coronavirus
is in order
but players ni bi share them year training anyumre ye the player back kwa and they was share them kotoko player I was share them year training no ye the training a wo them no ebeba
obani omo nte ya omo ya so brachi directives ne ho no aban de abase so unia asema omampani aka no so nim say omampani na commander in chief of the Ghana
the number one
so we waje so be ya so de awo hono ma soldier for beba okay because they yedru ani brim enye police for na beba
ede ani
asodin ni say yaka say menya asore wo so meye
okay
ndi wo so for san yebeboa che
oh yentume mo because we were democratic dispensation
yes,
say you do be family kwan nim
emra kwan bia okay
me ante directive
or say coronavirus government of Ghana direct citizens to adhere to ban advisory or risk military intervention and una nyeso jasem
and democracy
military intervention is not a democracy
so no we
oh story at airpulse.com.
Okay.
And I'm sure say Adom online here so
it's your man penny say what yeah can one this
no every Dr. Emmanuel Bokete Bote CEO of Happy Man Betters on the Sunday Brem
say o man penny say the new directive they said yeah can one this wa ya be ma military for am wadi so
ese Ghana 14 no maybe
openi ya sounding
Oza woman now some keka sana symptoms we na enya you so you use gloves na dey bi o oza me buy what tin some sa
I don't know on gloves there can gloves and can gloves
and I mention more use gloves no what tin sem no hey now ni ba ho he
and ni moja anemia anemia nye corona ni moja na anemia
erade hu mo bo
what tin sem sa
so one more what is sex ebusu immune system
and you what is you mo so there is
there is a video
sponsors
before so there is a video before we sponsors no the man for
okay
rush for hand sanitizers you crazy video no or the
Deko prepare na fatu success here
serious and na Kumasi Asante Kotoko so a professional club the club of the century
Accra so folk
coronavirus what has nka o ba so on DC group be che o
coronavirus
this bus can spread the virus this bus
Hasomuko
yeah what new bus on my branding na
online bus
new bus on my branding
online bus na
ana dey me who no connection ani piano
obeni connection dey no
okay
obeni Kotoko as a serious team no are taking the players in true preventive measures
to say
corona video no ha opa yebebo ni nyina mo
emrebe mo
yeah yes that they ma players no
wow
even
special doctors we are say
open pen ya grow club of the century yen kwada they say so league ya jabwe eto de de a eden e ka se epobi akwa Africa Kotoko na oso oko because na ye ko na anu ya
samu
oh yes ayi media man na dasoro na ezi ni watire mate so ka no ma ye we
ese ya rank
me pacho before so na Jordan before I'm on Facebook situation Grandmothers and grandfathers at Jumaba.
Open Manfa when we say Jordan, are you ranked 7th best player in Europe ahead of Messi and Ronaldo? Jordan, are you ranked? Jordan, are you ranked 7th best player in Europe ahead of Messi and Ronaldo?
Wow.
Last month, a year more, no.
One more year,
Obi, yes, I did be one kind of credit because
almost sorry about Kuba and pause for no.
And I'm saying,
pause for no story about
pause for no story about
Ona Mister Obi na intimate ni Paul send ya de breme. Also one send him.
Wow.
Also one send him.
One send him say pause na sem na make.
Da mo go di Papa's Pizza why?
Ye go di Papa's Pizza. Obi Ronaldo obi a obo 11 consecutive matches ni na wa che go. Ya sem na kan. I don't go say no ase.
Mo ma ye go di pizza.
Me frɛ wo fie ma Joseph ka credit enti no. This one thing na one
agenda. Papa's Pizza.
They say me trauma pause and
Papa's Debbie honeymoon sauce.
They say are you family?
Officially. Almost spokesperson here now.
Allegation now.
Georgia free ebenya.
Mr. say open pizza dia.
Papa's Pizza.
Say open pizza e mo de ye wo imire pizza your sausage dear, your chicken dear, your pizza say different taste pan dear. Papa's pizza. Papa's pizza, Papa's pizza, Imwede. Na baby I should be a crab child delivery. Baby I should be child delivery.
Ne deni de tinye bia ni ho but say no amanfo hihye dem what I say
it will be answer of your
it numbers ya fra o
number ni 0241 150 5555
and a hotline na
yes 0241 0241 150 5555 and no number we will East Legon, North Legon, Tema, Osu, Dome, Ring Road, and Spinters. Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. Yeah, quite anyway, faster than Farmer.
Okay, who do you?
Hey, yeah, faster than
the Ben Abbey sisters with the Nisia.
Alu-zinc trusses and no any aircraft for Eddie Amawo. Say, oh, the alu-zinc air trusses, Udi Kriwo Danswa. Odano etumeche esanse enye enkani enua na ne yusu ne enua no emwa kra tumehwe enua no ejatom kra tumehye mesrew se ube yusu eye trusses pa e de akru da so a yusu DBS for alu-zinc trusses and no beto ayema 100 years warranty chese eye quality ankasa to be na for crew da so we na nya coloring plus chance da papa na so ade kataso de na de wawie anasa hwehwe eye DBS sekira kwan ye wo Spinters Road so ben papa ye restaurant bibia ni afre 0240 844 4444 0240 844 444 DBS in chance in papa efie any ho se we see we dan where baby abele floor tiles or wall tiles ceramic tiles and marble tiles no cement also use a tile fixed cement abribia tile fixed cement and I will say we use Talon Ghana Limited for and we tile fixed cement odo any cement shop bia mu a obenya tile fixed cement bi ho now so to me ato tema ma meseku ne wo ho ashama timber market Malam Blue Cross I will she last stop wager SCC so to market Hong Kong ye ben Bank of Africa ye and afen so no kwapema mpon so ye ben Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital no bibia dia for Talon Ghana Limited wo a Lakeside Estate Accra from Amaso 0244 421-635 0244 421-635 NLA for say afi disika na sikansu na betimi disika dia super 6 and also witcha a new lotto aba and no 55 numbers choose 6 numbers out of 55 numbers in just say 6 numbers the boy what to the one Ghana and try already 100,000 Ghana cedis 5 numbers never two already 2 numbers in put a beboa wedi for when it's a Tokyo BM Munakucha a super 6 EB a beboa ma susika semet me akoye Sundays pe any end to draw no every other day to draw easy play easy win your lucky 6 a super 6 say a dinkra herbal mixture e wo hwa a DNA malaria. Say malaria into academ. No. A dinkra herbal mixture or what? Educasa academ is as a dinkra herbal mixture. A scientifically researched a draw. Say onunumbia a bit me a bois a two fever na see through. I'm what me a do joint pain senior be through lots of appetite be through her. I'm what me at Tibia Diancasa. For any chair, baby a tone rubia or area muho. Ubenya a year a dinkra herbal mixture bo at me at to phone for 0248 778 899 0248 778 899. Carl Bank the agent banking Edia Ben. One more the banking about area muho until na so na mo area mo say Carl Bank for amount one canopy and normal amount one canopy so area muho aha. Any baby where mo ya mount a Carl Bank for canopy or hono obetumi akwa your banking adwuma bia say bia person transfer scalp so you can now send this car Carl Bank agent banking one more the banking na ba area mo neighborhood banking pa ahonto so nie transfer bills and I transfer funds to our bills in na e Carl Bank agent banking bia wo area mo neighborhood banking pa and na one more dey aben wo Carl Bank was what dwen ho banking ewa hunto suomu with Carl Bank agent banking. MTN gusua eche wamo iPhone so no iPro 5S phones wamu gusua eche over 20,000. U yusu MTN ame pesa usu dibi. U yusu MTN nko ade a emre ninie benefit from being a subscriber of MTN. You know na dial 120 star mpacho star 120 star 1 hash. Star 120 star 1 hash. na raise wo level no ewo MTN so na also chances of winning no brighter chances no na also to me winning iPhone MTN 4H me person so to me win bi ye ka immune boosting pad Imboost herbal mixture and as you say was here no manya dry yalianse anom esan say Imboost herbal mixture the post ni na duro no onu num bia e boost to immune system no eno nti e ma yade bia e mo ba hard mesrew nanti na gina na so ye post ni na duro e na wasa onum Imboost herbal mixture wo area ma be ton duro bia no obenya bi wo na so watumi ato bia ni afre 0243 115 948 0243 115 948 you are one of boss yasene ma yede irrigated sports Eddie bro. This is Adom 106.3 FM but Duraplast since 1969 one more some Ghana for amasisi ayeka say oko the whole West Africa Duraplast one more di bebia oko the whole Central Africa Duraplast one more di bebia so we see what time building contractors estate developers ankra musimo time construction na moye no so be here rubber product bia and a pipe product bia no a Duraplast where Duraplast goes water flows plastic